Alright, this is 7.3, Lesson 1, Product and Quotient Rules for Radicals. Alright, so as we just learned in the last video, radicals and exponents are the same. So all the same rules apply. So if we remember, when I have two products of radicals, so root 5 times root 2, that's going to be root 5 times root 2. Okay, so that becomes root 10. This is analogous of having a times b to the n is the same thing as a to the n times b to the n. So we went from having the same half power to then combining them under one power, right? So let's do that again. These are both the same fourth power. So I can just write this with 1/4 power and multiply everything on the inside. So it's 5x cubed times 4. In other words, it's the fourth root of 20x cubed. Now, quotient division is the same thing. So currently what I'm doing is taking the square root of a top and a bottom. So I can rip that apart, so it's going from having a over b to the n to make it a to the n over b to the n. So right here, this becomes the square root of x squared over the square root of 25y to the 8th. And now I can just look at it bit by bit. I'm doing a half power, and I have a 12. So really, this is just x 12 over 2, and this is going to be square root of 25 and y to the 8 over 2. So this is x to the 6th over 5. Let's see, that's half of 8 is 4. All right, now if I squared it, double the powers, square the bases. Got it? So, again, when I have two radicals times each other, I combine it. Right? If I have two radicals, I could rip it apart and do radical top, radical on the bottom, and do those individually.